Imagine turning micro movements in the Nasdaq market into real profits, live right before your eyes. In my live streams, I'll take you straight into the action of scalping Nasdaq futures. Watch as I analyze price action, volume, and order flow to identify scalping opportunities in this fast paced market. You'll see my trade setups, live executions, and detailed performance breakdowns, all in real time. Stay tuned and follow my journey as I work to master the art and skill of scalping NASDAQ futures. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Applejacks. It's the haha I beat you off for me. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's having a great morning and a great trading session so far. Well, just getting out of medium impact news. I did take a trade, but it was invalid. I couldn't even get out of it. I tried to. It was a counter trend divergence move. I knew it wasn't valid yet, but I couldn't click the button to not get into it. And because my data lag was actually an entire second, I really honestly should have just not even attempted to get into it, to be honest with you. But whatever. I tried. I freaking tried. So I risked it and I paid the price. Because normally, if my data lag is not under like 0.2 seconds, I won't even trade until it is. So, guess that was math out. I had to reclaim my #1 spot. You are silly. How was your weekend? I did miss some trades this morning too. Again, part of it was because of the data lag though. Oh, I forgot. I was supposed to take off. That's all right. Okay. Watched a lot of the show called Severance. So Friday I went to my best friend's house and we watched a show called Roar. And we watched it because Issa Rae was in it. And I think, well, she thought it was a different kind of show than what it was. Because I immediately, when she quickly scrolled, I picked up on the fact that it was like a different story each episode. And I don't think she was really expecting that. But I did not like that show. I watched the first and the second episode and it was not good to me. At all. Damn it. I don't take trades at the middle pivot level, so for as long as the entry bar keeps touching it, there's really nothing I can do. Oh, I forgot about that. I wouldn't have got filled there anyway. I did have to make some and I say minor, very minor adjustments this weekend, like super duper minor. Mainly to the counter trend divergence. Actually thought we were gonna push down right there. I think that was the only thing I had to make an adjustment to though, actually. I do also think I can take off the oh, do I want to do that now? No, that's gonna mess up my damn. I kind of want to take it off. It's getting in my way. Good morning, Amelia. How are you this morning? But yeah, I think I'm gonna take off the trailing stop that I used to use for the major half trend so I could draw the change zone. I don't really need it anymore, I don't think. I'm pretty sure at this point I could do without it. But we'll see. Maybe after I journal today, I'll just make sure for sure I don't need it, but I'm pretty sure at this point I don't need it anymore. I just need the first part of the zone, and that's really it, but we'll see. All right, I do have to sit out for high impact news now. So we'll do that. See what we can get going after. But yeah, I'll show you guys. Like I said, the 1 second data lag was kind of screwing me this morning. That's why I should have really sat out of the counter trend divergence until that 1 second delay got down to normal. But this was the first trade I missed. It would have been I would have had to break even right there at the red level though, which it went back to the break even level and then pushed down from there. So that's one. I missed this one right after. There's two. That was a full win. And I feel like there was one more. This is the trade that I took. Like I said, it was validated a couple of times, like in these outside bars, and then when it came down here, it invalidated itself, and right when I clicked the button for it to not get into it, it had already gotten into it. So I'm okay with losses like that. And then this was the third trade, which was a full win, and I think that's it. Let's see, 845, 847. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, then we had the random data spike right here. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure that's it. And I don't know why the news indicator is not working. Sometimes when I look in the log, it tells me that there's some kind of error. But yeah. But other than that, that's really it. I spent my weekend with the kiddos, basically. Like I said, Friday I went to my best friend's house, was with her and the kids. And Saturday, oh, I didn't go to sleep till like 5 o'clock in the morning Saturday, which was crazy because I was extremely tired. And then it's like I just got a random jolt of energy. So Saturday, I didn't wake up till like 12 o'clock. I had a good straight 7 hours straight of sleep. I woke up to hearing pitter patter feet in my house and my nephew busting through my door, "Hi, TT," and giving me a hug and a kiss. So then I got up, got myself together, did his hair. I had to wash it, re-braid it, all that. And then I braided my niece's hair. Then we went out to eat. And then I came home and I think I studied a little bit more, tried to finish, maybe, I don't remember. And I think I played the game, pretty sure, maybe. maybe. I don't remember. And then yesterday, I know I finished my studying probably like around 5 o'clock and chilled the rest of the day. Meeting time, I'll be back, have fun. But yeah, that was pretty much it for me. Like I said, I just kind of like redid all of the counter trend divergence. The alternate one, I think I'm just gonna X for now. Redefine the rules for the regular counter trend divergence, and just went back through everything to make sure it's how I wanted, and for the most part it was. So we'll see. We will see. For right now, I'm not taking any divergence off new highs. I'm not taking any pullbacks going back towards new highs or lows as well. We're gonna leave those alone for now. Got about 5 more minutes before I can start trading again. Oh, in the meantime, I might as well fix this. Take Profit Trader has the new promo now. It's 30% off with no with no activation fee. So I guess I could fix my I hate when companies come out with new promos right before the sessions start. Like, you do know us YouTubers have no time to fix our stuff right. All right, let's see. 30% off plus no activation fee. Update that. Hmm. 30%. Oh yeah, and they never say. They never give you an end date. Oh, here's the news. I think that just fixed it. Good morning, Janelle. How are you this morning? Let's see if that fixed it. I think it did. Yep, there we go. All right, let's see what this news does. I wonder why it's messed up on you guys' screen, but not mine. Usually it's messed up on mine and not y'all's. Shoot. Got about another minute and then I'm green lighted to trade. All right, there we go. There's no point in taking that. I've invalidated it, so. Janelle, how's your morning? Still doing a little too much. I'm gonna wait like another 2 minutes and then I'll start trading again. I feel like it's still a little too erratic for me. And it could be because there's high and medium in there. Currently negative 140 in my LLC account. You could bounce back from that. It's not bad. It's not bad. Have you taken any trades in the personal or you stopped the personal just to have that LLC account? All right. Start trading again now. Okay. Still like a little. What the hell is going on? No trades in person. I got you. Okay. Makes sense. Makes total sense. I swear this market makes me want to go to a 20 tick chart. I might actually look at that this today if I get bored, which I probably won't. I need to go grocery shopping and do laundry and stuff, but it definitely makes me want to switch to a 20 tick chart. Volatility is just so high. 1, 2, 3. Oh shoot, that's the wrong thing. It would have worked. Not what I'm looking for. And a lot of these moves, the zigzags aren't even attached to the right bar, so I can't even take the trade even if I wanted to. It's very annoying. Or we keep getting these freaking 1 bar pullbacks that keeps me out of the trade for 3 swings and just ugh. Good morning, New. Good morning, Paul. How are you guys this morning? Good morning. Good morning. There's not a lot of volume in the reversal bars either, which is unusual. That also just lets me know the volatility is just way too high. Like to have 80 volume, 85 volume in reversal bars is not normal at all. Thinking about, I really wanted to get some profit on my Top Step account so I can switch over to my Apex account. I think I'm gonna switch over to it at 9:30 regardless. I think I'm ready to start trading it. Heavy on the think. I don't know. I was looking at the new stuff for Top Step in regards to their paths alive, and I'm just not a fan. Now it's regardless of how much you take in payouts, you automatically basically get sent to live after, what is it, 5 payouts or something? Yeah, no. And it's not that that's the problem, it's the, well, it kind of is. Because if you want to make sure that you maximize your profits to take into live, you basically have to wait until you've accumulated $5,000 in profit to withdraw, because that's the only thing that makes sense. Because if you do the bare minimum of $200 a day times 5 and you withdraw $500, right? $500 the first time, however much the second time, whatever. I don't feel like doing the math, but basically if you do that, you get taken alive before you've maximized your profits there, and I've always said that I don't really like their live program anyway because of how they take some people live after $1,000 in payouts and other people live after 6 figures, and that's just stupid as hell to me personally. But yeah, I'm not a fan. Just not. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna switch to my Apex Rhythmic account, the 25K account. I'm gonna switch to that at 9:30 regardless. Regardless of where I am. We're trading near the major support level. How did I get stopped out? I don't understand this thing, bro. This copier, you know what? I probably am not going to switch because the copier is really going to piss me off. And I've reached out to them and I'm still waiting on them to tell me. I'm just still waiting. Like, it never hit the stop loss. Why did I get stopped out? I don't understand. Yeah, it put the stop loss where it wanted to. Look. My stop loss for this is 1 tick above the close of the bar, which is up here. We never hit that. How do I get stopped out? Like, please, for the life of me, fix this fucking shit. So no, I'm not gonna switch to that damn account. Or maybe I will, because I do want to trade my fundeds, but not with the fucking copier shit going on. Bro. This shit is just so frustrating, man. It really is. You saw where Top Step is changing the, yeah. The last 15-minute candle was 138 points. Damn. I haven't even looked at the time-based candles at all. I'm just so annoyed. I just don't understand, man. So basically at this point, if I want to trade my funded accounts, I just have to trade them one by one. It's literally the only thing that I can do, unfortunately. I'm ready to punch a wall. I am. You know what? Let me try something. It's very fucking frustrating. Like, I've literally been dealing with this shit since like December, bro. Like, this is exactly how I lost my last account. Not the take profit account, but the last Top Step account because of this shit. I would have literally been done with all of these fucking accounts if I didn't have the copier screwing me out on so much profit. Like, there is a button I thought. Like, every day that I deal with this shit, I'm finna start sending them more emails with more examples because, like, at this point, I feel like unless I overload you and irritate you, you're just gonna continue taking your fucking time. If you know what the issues are, like, does it really take this long to fix the shit or what? I thought there was a fucking button on here that I could... There's not, I guess. I don't know. I don't fucking know anymore. I just missed this buy trying to get this damn copier. I'm like trying my hardest not to rage, but this shit is irritating. It was gold, crude oil. I had candles like that today. Not what I was looking for. This is so frustrating. So frustrating. It's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. Like, to lose trades and you actually win. What's the point? I literally don't even understand the purpose of trading. There is none. That was not fun. Well, if it makes you feel better. I just lost a trade for no reason. Oh, wait. Where is that at? Well, yeah, I just lost a trade for literally no reason. I won the trade and still lost it on my follower. If it makes you feel better. You're not seeking another copier? I can't, Janelle. Other copiers, every single one of them from my research thus far, gives your followers market orders, and I can't trade with market orders. With as fast as my executions are, if my follower, and I could do that with this one, but if my followers have market orders, the slippage will be insane, and I will basically have to manually exit every single trade. So that's not helpful either. I need the followers to have limit orders. I just don't understand why the fucking shit is putting the stop loss and take profit where the fuck it wants to, instead of actually and I have a feeling that what it's doing is when it puts because my trades are so fast, this is my theory, and I'm pretty sure this is actually what's happening, is because my trades happen so fast, 1, 2, 3, when it puts in the stop loss and take profit, it's basically 4.5 points from where price is at the time instead of where the actual entry is. I don't know why it's doing that. My guess is the coding was not supposed to be meant for a micro scalper like myself. Because like when the market is a lot slower with lower volatility, lower volume, and I'm in trades for like 10 seconds versus 1 to 3 to 5 seconds, I don't have this issue. I don't, for the most part. Here and there, yes, but whenever the volatility is high, like, yeah. And like I said, there's literally nothing I could do about it. And that's the most frustrating part, is there's nothing I could do about it. But yeah, that's literally what the issue is. My trades happen too fast. It's another reason why I'm thinking about switching to a 20 tick chart. I just don't know if everything will transfer over, but I'm probably gonna look at it today and see, but then at the same time, like, Going to a 20 tick chart means that my stop loss increases by 5 ticks. So does my take profit. With the issues that I deal with, I don't know if I'm willing to even risk the extra 5+ ticks with the way that the damn thing works. Like, yeah. Somebody to make a better copier for you. Yeah, I've had somebody, well, I had somebody that was willing to give me theirs. However, he said that his uses market orders too, so yeah. What I need is for Joel and his team to fucking fix this shit. Like, legit have been dealing with this for months. Months. It's insane. We're in a downtrend again. And it's nothing more frustrating than knowing that other people are not dealing with this issue. I have met my goal of creating a pretty precise strategy, but basically to my own demise, because this is the reason for my issues. All right, if I win the next trade, I'm probably going to switch to my Apex account. Good morning, Stan. How are you this morning? And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like, the tech issues is also another reason why I hesitate so much. And I don't, like, my goal has always been to take every trade. But I also think that there's a subconscious thing there with me not wanting to take trades because I don't know if I'm going to lose them for no fucking reason. Like I always say, like, I'm 1000% okay with losing trades if I make a mistake, as long as it follows my rules or I make a genuine mistake, I am 1000% okay with that. Like, fine. I will give myself grace. But when you're losing extra money for no reason on trades that you actually won, bro, that has to be the most frustrating thing ever. Like, legit. That shit makes me want to punch things and cry while I'm punching it. because I can't do anything about it. Not where your number one priority. I'm weak. But yeah, this shit is just, I don't know. But yeah, every day that I deal with this shit, I am going to just start bombarding them with more emails and more examples. You can get as irritated as you want to. Guess what? Now you have the same irritation that I've had for 2 months. More than 2 months. You're on hallway duty right now. We need more sands in the world. We do. Because I can't teach these ratchet kids at all. But yeah, this shit is just very irritating. And I don't know what to do. And I mean, I really wanted to switch to the Apex account at 9:30 to put it as the follower, but I don't feel comfortable doing that, you know. I don't feel comfortable doing that at all. Because I'm gonna deal, like, why be negative on it for no reason? So I'd rather just trade it separately, but fuck this. Stop touching the middle pivot level. Oh my God. Please. Press all your remaining evals this month. I hope so, San. I mean, at this point, honestly, I'm not gonna have very much left. Because I'm probably gonna cancel the Top Step one. I just really have no desires to trade Top Step anymore. If I'm being honest. Speaking of ratchet, my niece talked for Black History Month. Girl, what? No Harriet Tubman, no Malcolm X, no Rosa Parks, no MLK. She said, forget those regular people. Janae is my history. Not Mae Jemison is right there. I'm weak. All right, let's try this again, I guess. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm ready to just stop trading until they tell me that the copier is fixed. And I mean stop trading altogether. But I also don't want to not make progress. You know, I don't want to lose out on progress at the same time, but what the fuck am I supposed to do, y'all? For real. Genuine question here. What am I supposed to do? I don't know. But I'm probably just gonna have to that's pretty pointless. I'll have to break even at the I'm probably just gonna have to not copy trade. That's gonna irritate me because that means I'm gonna have to cap my profits on each account every day. Like, have a target, and if I hit the target, just be done. Switch to the next account. And that actually is the worst thing ever. I'm not gonna lie. It is. Not gonna be a fan of that. But I feel like that's my only option. Like, girl, what did I work for? Exactly. Dang, at least see your Black history about your auntie. Harass them. I'm trying not to, you know. However, I also feel like I kind of have no choice but to. I should have gotten into that trade right there, but I'm just really hesitant on everything at this point. I'm not gonna lie. I am. Oh, actually, that didn't come down as far as I thought. Never mind. Not valid. But yeah, I'm trying to be a good customer and not completely harass, but your copier has been harassing me. Like, that's how I see it. Your copier has been harassing me. It's been harassing me and my profits. Because I can't get any because your copier's taking it away. You're a loyal customer. You know what? The thing is, like, I don't give a fuck about loyalty. I don't. The only problem is I don't see another copier out there that I can have limit orders with. That's the problem. If I could find another copier that allowed my followers to have their own limit orders, I'd do it. But it can't be Replicanto because I don't like the ghost orders with Replicanto. And like, I would need to keep NinjaTrader. I mean, I would have to keep the copier screen like Nutty does. I would have to keep this open on my screen at all times because that's the only way that he sees that he has the ghost orders there. I don't want to deal with that. And it's like, it works great from the entry standpoint. My entries are always on point. You know, the limit orders are being placed correctly for the entry. My entry is always where it's supposed to be, or I get a better fill. So I can't complain about that part, but where it places the stop loss and take profits, oh baby, that shit just does what the fuck it wants to do. We have not. All right, no buys at the VWAP. We've been under the VWAP all this time, so I don't really take buys at the VWAP until we hit the first deviation level. But yeah, trust me, if there was another copier out there for a decent price that did the same exact thing, baby, I would buy. Didn't mean to flick y'all off, but that's exactly what the fuck I would do. With no hesitation, because like you said, they're like messing with my profits. I would have legit been done with all of these accounts already. All of them. All of them. So that's hella frustrating. No. That's fuck you. It's fuck them. Oh my gosh. It would never be F you guys. But see how quickly I was in and out of that trade? That's why I've been getting screwed on the damn copier. And the first trade was actually 12 seconds, so I shouldn't have even got screwed like that. But again, it put the stop loss where it wanted to, so... No, not right here. Damn it. I was looking for a calendar divergent, but I wanted it to happen. I wanted the entry bar to clear that prime high right there. But we didn't. Just wanna fantasy. Make me deserve it right. 24. Top of memories. Ecstasy. All right, we got about 15 minutes left. I'm definitely gonna get rid of the... Oh, damn. Missed the buy right there. That's my other problem. Missing trades, copier issues, you know, just all fucks up. Everything's just fucked up. Everything. That was a perfect buy too. That's what the inside looked like. would have gotten tagged in probably on that bar. Oh, you can't see. But yeah, I would have gotten tagged in here probably. $42. Oh, we're good there now. It's a lot of volume. I would like to see us. Nope, we didn't do it. I wanted to see us come up to the prior close and reject there. But the market had other plans. Yeah, I wanted to see the rejection up there. Zigzags on the wrong bar. Of course. Oh, actually, I almost hold myself. I was looking for the buy, but I was hoping that we pushed up off of the rotation level, not just in the middle of nowhere. Damn it, I didn't want us to create a double top. Yeah. It's not what I wanted. And I have to stop second guessing myself too, because some of the rules I kind of do already have in my head, and then I question myself and I look down, and by the time I do that, the damn trade is gone. And I know the rules for a lot of these already, so I don't even know. I don't even know what the hesitation is. Well, part of it I do, but we got 2 minutes left. Today is just full of annoyances. I think my plan tomorrow is to trade the TPT account till a certain time and then switch to my Apex PA. Just do it from there. Because maybe if I don't have the subconscious thoughts of the copier fucking me over, that I'll stop hesitating to take certain trades. That's my thought process. I don't know if that's the right thought process, but that's what I'm thinking. Yeah. 227. Equal volume, of course. So maybe if I just do that, I'll feel better. And I mean, the Top Step account is just like a whatever kind of thing. I have until next Friday to try to pass it if I even want to do that. I don't know. I don't know. All right, session's over. Let me take a show you guys the accounts. I took 3 trades, 2 wins and a loss. However, my Top Step account had 1 win and 2 losses. Thanks to the best copier in town. All right, so, ooh, I'm having a hot flash. Uh-oh. So this is what the accounts are looking like. Got back to green on the TPT account. I guess that's really all that matters. And then Top Step is down $48. I still have $950 in drawdown. Oh, Applejacks is okay. No need to be sorry, honey. What's sorry is this damn copier. Okay. But no, yeah. My main thing is keeping my frustration levels low so I don't become so irritated that I just go the fuck off instead of, you know, being able to craft a perfectly professional email to them. But yeah, this is just frustrating because this is like changing up my whole plan. I really want to start trading my PAs, like I said, but I think I'm just going to start with the 25K account because not that that account doesn't mean anything, but it kind of does. Well, I guess it does now because if I'm not going to trade Top Step, which is the only reason why I switched from Rhythmic to Trade-of-8, if I'm not going to trade Top Step, then I actually can trade that Rhythmic PA because my goal still is to get it to a payout, and I don't really want to blow it after a payout or anything like that, but I at least want to get it to a payout. However, in order for me to trade right now, I feel like the only way to do it safely is to cycle my accounts. And although I know a lot of people do cycle their accounts, meaning they, you know, they either trade them one by one or they group like a couple at a time. That was never my goal. My plan and my goal was to always copy trade all my accounts because my thought process and my mindset was if you put in the time, the energy, and the effort to create a strategy that has a certain edge, and you have the mental part of trading down to where you're not going to go on tilt and things like that, then there's no reason for you to not trade all your accounts at one time. The only thing that you can have really at that point is you lose your edge, number one, or you have tech issues like the fuck I've been having for the last 2+ months. So yeah, that was always my goal and intention, but I don't feel comfortable trading all of my accounts. And like I said a few minutes ago, I honestly feel like part of the hesitation is a subconscious thing. It's something I'm not really thinking about, but it's always like deep in the back of my mind of I don't want to take every trade like I normally do because I don't know when the copier is going to screw me and when it's not. And that's a very frustrating place to be in when there is so much uncertainty. And it's also frustrating because I feel like it's pushing me hitting my goals back even further because it's taking profit away from me. It's keeping me out of more profit because I'm hesitant to take the trades. It's just a vicious cycle, and it's a cycle I'm ready to be out of because I've been in it for so long. I honestly think I started having the issues in December, actually. I think it was early December, if I'm not mistaken, because it was before I passed the account that I was close to passing on December 8th, I think it was. I'm pretty sure it was December 8th. So I've been dealing with this for 3 months now. But yeah, I'm just over it. But yeah, I'm going to hit them up again today, and I'm going to send them more screenshots and more log files. And I'm going to do it every fucking day until you tell me that it's fixed. But yeah, so that's where I'm at with it. You'll probably see me trading my PAs tomorrow, or PA, because I don't want to trade the Tradeovate PAs yet. I really just want to focus on the rhythmic one, because I feel like once I get to my first payout, then I'll feel, comfortable enough to get to the other ones and just kind of go from there. And obviously, with it being a 25K account, I can get to a payout a lot quicker. Basically, I need $1,000 less to do it on a 25K versus a 50K. And then we'll just keep trying to hammer away at this TPT account. At some point, I am going to increase my contract size again. Probably once I get like $500 in profit with one contract, then I'll start multiplying after that. But we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard. No, 8:45 Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.